Welcome to another video from Dr.skinyou. We want to tell you about the amazing substance hyaluronic acid, a vital and essential substance for the growth, health, and beauty of the skin. We examine the chemical properties and skin effects of this substance, and in an interesting part of the video, I teach you how by adding this substance to cheap and ordinary products, turn them into a valuable and strong product with the help of hyaluronic acid. So stay with me as always and give me like and subscribe. Thankfully, our bodies naturally produce hyaluronic acid, but various factors can disrupt this process. When its levels drop, the countdown to aging, dryness, and wrinkles begins. That's why it's crucial to include this essential substance in both your diet and skincare routine. Please take this recommendation from Dr. skinyou seriously. What is hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid, also known as hyaluronan, is a naturally occurring polysaccharide found in tissues such as skin, eyes, joints, and cartilage. It's known for its remarkable ability to retain moisture, making it a powerful hydrator. This is why it's widely used in skincare products, medications, and medical treatments. What makes hyaluronic acid unique for the skin? Hyaluronic acid can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, acting like a moisture magnet. It keeps water molecules locked in the skin, helping to hydrate and plump it. Let's dive deeper into the incredible benefits of hyaluronic acid for your skin. The chemical properties of hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a linear polymer made up of disaccharide units, allowing it to retain a large amount of water. In fact, just 1 gram of hyaluronic acid can hold up to 6 liters of water. That's truly astonishing. It's present in the deeper layers of the skin, dermis, where it helps to maintain moisture and support skin structure. However, as we age, the body's natural production of hyaluronic acid decreases, leading to dryness and wrinkles. Applying hyaluronic acid topically can help replenish this loss and bring back youthful radiance. The benefits of hyaluronic acid for the skin. In a 2014 study, women who applied hyaluronic acid twice a day for 8 weeks saw a 40% reduction in wrinkle depth and a 55% improvement in skin elasticity. Its moisture-binding ability makes it essential for skin health and beauty. Here are some of the key benefits. 1. Moisturizing and hydration. 2. Reduction of wrinkles. 3. Improved skin elasticity. 4. Healing and repairing. 5. Skin protection. Using hyaluronic acid in skincare. Hyaluronic acid is found in a wide range of skincare products due to its hydrating and anti-aging properties, including serums, moisturizing creams, face masks, anti-wrinkle and rejuvenating products, dermal fillers, eye products, hair products such as shampoos and conditioners. Can you naturally boost hyaluronic acid in your body? For those who prefer a natural approach, the good news is that there are many natural sources of hyaluronic acid that can help boost your body's levels. Bone broth. Made by simmering bones and connective tissues for 12 to 48 hours, bone broth is rich in hyaluronic acid as well as collagen, glucosamine, and chondroitin, which are vital for joint health. Oranges. While not containing hyaluronic acid itself, oranges are rich in naringenin, a powerful antioxidant that inhibits the enzyme responsible for breaking down hyaluronic acid. Eating more oranges can help maintain healthy hyaluronic acid levels. Tofu. Tofu doesn't contain hyaluronic acid, but is rich in phytoestrogens, which mimic estrogen and have been shown to increase hyaluronic acid levels, helping to prevent dry skin and wrinkles. Kale and almonds. Both are high in magnesium, an essential mineral involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions, including the production of hyaluronic acid. Edamame. Like tofu, edamame contains phytoestrogens, which can help boost your body's hyaluronic acid levels. Sweet potatoes. Packed with fiber, vitamins A and C, manganese and magnesium, sweet potatoes are another excellent source to support the production of hyaluronic acid. Can you add hyaluronic acid to your own products? For those following our channel, the answer is definitely yes. You can enhance your existing skincare products by adding hyaluronic acid to them. Here's a simple guide to turn your basic creams into high-end, professional skincare. 1. Add 1 to 2 grams of hyaluronic acid powder or 2 hyaluronic acid capsules into 2 tablespoons of water. Stir and let the mixture dissolve for 20 to 30 minutes. 2. Filter the solution. Add 30 to 40 grams of your base cream into a container and gradually mix in the hyaluronic acid solution while stirring continuously until the cream becomes smooth. If mixing is difficult, feel free to use an electric mixer. By following these steps, you can create your very own hyaluronic acid-infused creams and serums at home. For even better results, choose capsules or powders that also contain collagen, biotin, or vitamin B5 to supercharge your product's effectiveness. Why should you add hyaluronic acid to your skincare routine? While hyaluronic acid is a natural substance found throughout the body, its levels decline as we age. Premature aging is often caused by prolonged exposure to UV rays, which account for nearly 80% of facial skin aging. So adding hyaluronic acid to your routine can help reinforce your skin's defenses and combat signs of aging. Also, don't forget to include natural and dietary sources of hyaluronic acid in your daily meals for an overall boost in skin health. Attention, attention. When buying different products, pay attention to the active ingredients section of the catalog or product label and make sure that your product contains hyaluronic acid as well as collagen, and that the writing on the product is not just for advertising purposes. If you want healthy, beautiful, clear, and always young skin, you must definitely apply some hyaluronic acid to your skin through various products in your daily routine, because with age, the skin's natural hyaluronic acid production decreases and the skin gradually becomes dry, wrinkled, and old. Thank you for being with me until the end of the video. With the knowledge you found about hyaluronic acid, this time when choosing a product to buy, you can make a conscious purchase and not waste your money or be deceived by false claims or advertisements on product packaging. Also, you are now able to prepare a strong and expensive product for yourself at a lower cost and by using cheap creams and adding hyaluronic acid or collagen. Support, like, and subscribe is the only thing we expect from you for these videos.